There was an old father with 4 sons, all of whom were lazy and unwilling to work hard. They often quarreled among themselves and disregarded their father's advice. Concerned about their future, the old father devised a plan to educate them. He asked them to bring a bundle of sticks and take turns attempting to break it. Despite exerting all their strength, none of the 4 sons could break the bundle. The old father said, "Look, this bundle of sticks is strong, none of you could break it. However, if you separate the sticks, each one can be easily broken." This illustrates the power of unity. If you live in harmony, helping one another, you can defend against external threats and protect yourselves. But if you divide into enemies, attacking each other, you will be vulnerable and lose yourselves. Ashamed by their father's words, the sons vowed to change their attitudes, unite, and work together. From then on, they lived a happy life. This story teaches us that unity is strength, emphasizing the importance of mutual support and cooperation when facing challenges and difficulties to achieve success and happiness. In the final battle of the Chuhan contention, Liu Bang led the Han army, besieging Xiang Yu's Chu forces at Gaixia. Despite Xiang Yu's unparalleled courage, his army had lost unity and morale, lacking the strength to resist. Xiang Yu's advisor, Fan Zhang, suggested breaking through under the cover of night or surrendering to Liu Bang to find a way out. However, Xiang Yu declined. He emphasized the vow he and Liu Bang made to avoid encroaching on each other's territories. Feeling betrayed by Liu Bang's breach of their agreement and territorial encroachment, Xiang Yu opted to fight to the death rather than surrender. He expressed fear not of Liu Bang, but of the lack of loyalty from the people across the realm. As he wept and sang the Gaixia song, the sky suddenly darkened, thunder roared, and a fierce storm erupted, as if the heavens were collapsing. Terrified, Xiang Yu exclaimed, "The skies can change unexpectedly, and fortunes can change overnight. Today, I will surely die here." His subordinates were frightened by the sudden storm, some sought to flee, some contemplated surrender, and others considered joining him in death. Unable to escape, Xiang Yu chose to take his own life, ending it. This story illustrates that the yellow river's water can't clear it, metaphorically describes wrongdoing that cannot restore one's honor or status, regardless of attempts to defend against accusations. In the state of Qi, there was a minister named Chunyu Kuan, known for his talent. He often used fables to advise King Xian of Qi. Once, King Xian intended to attack the state of Wei, and Chunyu Kuan used a story about a dog and a rabbit to dissuade him. He warned that it might benefit other countries. King Xian listened and abandoned the plan. Later, King Xian asked Chunyu Kuan to recommend talented individuals, and within a day, Chunyu Kuan suggested 7. King Xian was surprised and asked how he found so many talents. Chunyu Kuan replied, "Things gather with their own kind, people form groups with those similar to them. I am a capable man myself, so I can find others like me. It's like the soil in a rose garden, because it's been in contact with roses for so long, it carries their fragrance." This story teaches us that things gather with their own kind, people form groups with those similar to them, is a phenomenon. It illustrates that people's choices of friends and environments are influenced by their own character, interests, values, and more.